Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect your Big Cartel store to Zendrop. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official bigcartel.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can go ahead and manage your store. As you can see, we have the checklist right here, and at the top of the page, we can see all the sections we can access, such as dashboard, we can see our orders, products, discounts, and so on. So guys, the next thing we want to do to be able to connect to Zendrop is go ahead to the official zendrop.com website right here, and here we also want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this pop-up right here where you can go ahead and connect your store. So guys, you can see we have the option to connect our Shopify store, or if we do not want to connect Shopify, we can select this option right here. I want to connect to a different platform, and we can see that we can connect it either to Commerce HQ or WooCommerce. So guys, you can see there is no option to connect to Big Cartel guys, and this is because Zendrop does not give you that option. So guys, what is the workaround for this? Well, you have to go ahead and transfer your Big Cartel store to Shopify. Yes, sadly, that is the only way. You have to go ahead and transfer it either via an app or just go ahead and copy all of your products to your new store and set up your store in Shopify. After setting up your store, guys, you can go ahead and enter your Shopify store right here by pasting the address and click connect. And as you can see, you will be able to connect it to Zendrop. I have already connected it, so I cannot once again. But basically, that is the only way to connect your Big Cartel store to Zendrop. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.